Today we're looking at the Andersen Winch 10 single speed. We'll unbox, have a look and see what we've got. Nice new shiny winch. Love these ripples. They say that's going to help grip the rope so much better without wearing. Comes with a couple of pieces of paper, a product manual, and a template. Product manual is in colour, appears to give good clear instructions, has a parts list and exploded view, should make installation nice and easy. I'd like to point out some of the features of this Andersen 10 single speed winch. We have ridges on the winch rather than grit. The literature says that the ridges will grip the rope and do less wear and tear on the rope, so your sheets will last longer. Comes apart nice and easily. I like the way it comes already ready for use. It's got an oil or grease already on it, so I can use it straight out of the box. Very tough plastic for construction. It's probably not plastic, but that's what I'm calling it. It appears to come apart easily if needed. There's drain holes underneath, and you can see there's a hole in the middle to let water out. So we have to be careful not to fill that full of silicone when we put it together. We also have drain holes here and here. So any water that does get inside of here, which would be nearly impossible, can drain away easily. Let's put it on the boat.